Juggernaut that's about to own the roads. Midnight hook, pulsing rock track kicks in. Rapid-fire clips of the RAV4 blasting through urban chaos into rugged trails, ending with a dramatic Grille reveal. Alright, road rebels and family haulers. This car might just change the game. The 2026 Toyota RAV4? It's not just a refresh. It's a full-throttle redesign that's scrapping the old-school vibes for hybrid dominance and tech that hits like a caffeine-forward drip. Imagine your daily commute turning into a thrill ride. I'm your name, your hype man for wheels, and in the next 3 minutes, we're unpacking why this SUV's about to make you ditch whatever's in your driveway. Strap in, let's hit the gas. 0-20. Design upgrades. Sweeping drone shots circling the RAV4's bold stance. Close-ups on sharp edges and LED lights flickering like paparazzi flashes. Starting with a look, Toyota cranked the dial to 11 on rugged chic. Honor the soft curves of the 5th gen. This bad boy's boxier, buffer, with chop wheel arches and a hammerhead grille that's all aggression, no apologies. Picture it. Sculpted hood lines that scream adventure. Available in killer two-tones like supersonic red with black accents. Your neighbor's gonna be jealous scrolling your Insta. Higher trims get that panoramic glass roof, turning rainy drives into starry escapes. And the taillights? Sleek LED strips that wrap around like a cyberpunk hug. It's tougher, taller, and way more me-time in the wild than the last model's safe but boring sheet metal. This design, it's the upgrade your inner explorer's been begging for. 0-50. Hybrid performance. Engine revs syncing to upbeat beats. Animated battery icons charging. Speedometer whipping to 60 in animated glory. Now, under the hood, pure hybrid fire. No gas-only stragglers allowed. The base hybrid pairs a zippy 2.5-liter with electric boost for 226 horses in FWD or 236 in AWD. Sips fuel at 40 miles per gallon combined. Zips to 60 quicker than the old one's 8-second snooze and feels planted like your favorite hiking boots. But the plug-in hybrid? Whoa. 324 horses of torque, 50 miles of EV-only range for silent city stalking, and 35 miles per gallon when you're running on fumes. Tow up to 3,500 pounds. Yank that trailer to the lake without breaking a sweat. Compared to the 2025's meh hybrids, this is smoother, stronger, and smarter, with Reagan braking that recharges on the fly. It's like Toyota whispered, efficiency shouldn't suck, and nailed it. Your wallet and the planet? High-fiving right now. 130, tech-filled interior, cozy cabin pan, screens booting up with swipe sounds, hands gesturing over glowing interfaces. Pop the door and bam. It's like stepping into your living room's futuristic twin. Dual 12.3-inch screens dominate. One's your digital dash with customizable vibes. The other's a touchscreen beast loaded with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's new Arene OS for 5G speed update that keep bugs at bay. Pin your podcasts, tweak climate with a finger flick. 5 USB-C ports mean no one's fighting over chargers during road trip marathons. Leather-wrapped wheel on limited trims. Ambient lighting that pulses to your playlist. It's cozy for 5, with 37 cubic feet of cargo that expands to swallow weekend gear. Beats the old interior's clunky buttons and tiny NAV. This is intuitive, like chatting with a buddy who knows your routes. Relatable win. No more, where's the AUX? Drama. 2 o'clock. Off-road capabilities. Mudslinging action cams. Tires gripping rocks. Woodland trim conquering inclines with heroic slow-mo. City slicker or trailblazer. The RAV4's got both covered, cranking up the off-road game big time. The new Woodland edition? All-terrain rubber, lifted suspension for 8.6 inches of clearance, and torque vectoring AWD that dances through slop like it's a playground. Standard multi-terrain select modes. Mud, sand, rocks. Make it dumber-proof for newbies, while the GR Sports tuned shocks handle corners like a hot hash. Over the previous gen's kinda capable setup, this is legit. Deeper approach angles, hill descent control that chills you out on steeps. Haul the fam to a muddy festival or blast single track. It's versatile without the extreme price tag. Your inner Indiana Jones is nodding vigorously. 230. Price range and improvements wrap. Montage of trims evolving. Price tags popping like confetti. Side-by-side old versus new comparisons. Price-wise, it's wallet-friendly badassery. LE hybrid kicks off around $30,000. XLE at 32 grand. Woodland or limited climbing to 40 to 45K. And GR Sport PHEV topping at 50K-ish. Bang for buck that smokes the CRVS sticker shock. On sale late 2025, so prime time for 2026 dreams. What edges out the last model? Sharper handling, greener guts, smarter safety with ESS 3.0's radar wizardry, and that interior glow-up. It's not evolution, it's revolution in SUV form. Reliable Toyota DNA with enough wow to keep life exciting. 250 outro, heart-pumping drive-off into sunset. Subscribe prompts exploding on screen. Phew, that's the 2026 RAV4. Your upgrade to fun, fierce, and future-proof. Which features got you revved? Spill in the comments. Like if you're trading up tomorrow, and sub for more no BS car chats. Peace out. May your drives be epic. 3 o'clock. End screen. Fading echoes of tires on gravel. Thumbnails for top 5 hybrids and RAV4 versus Telluride.